Here I've got Nokia 5.1 and let me show you how to activate nightlight on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should locate and pick display. And the second tab is nightlight. Simply open it. And now you can turn it on now by tapping on this icon. And as you can see, now it's active. You can change the intensity to some cooler or warmer colors, so it's up to you. Let's switch it off. And you can also schedule nightlight mode. So let me pick schedule. So you can pick either turns on at custom time or turns on from sunset to sunrise. But I will pick the custom time. So let's select the start time, start hour. It can be 7 p.m. maybe 7:30. And then let's pick the end time. So it can be 6 a.m. next day. So from now on, every day between 7:30 and 6 a.m. next day, nightlight will be automatically activated. And that's basically all. This is how you can activate, use and personalize nightlight in Nokia 5.1. Enjoy it, protect your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.